In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer cash from your cash ISA to a stocks and shares ISA on Trading 212. This process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you can ensure that your ISA allowance remains intact. First, you'll need to open the Trading 212 app or website and log into your account. This is your starting point for managing your investments and making sure your funds are where you want them to be. Once you've logged in, look for the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. This icon is your gateway to all the various features Trading 212 offers. Tap on it to expand the menu options. After accessing the menu, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Manage Funds. This is where you can control how your money moves within your Trading 212 accounts. Scroll down the page until you find the option that says Move Funds. This feature is specifically designed to help you transfer money between your accounts without any hassle. Now, you'll be prompted to choose the account from which you want to move the money. Select your cash ISA as the account you're transferring funds from. It's important to ensure you're moving the correct amount from the right account to avoid any issues. Next, you'll need to select the account you want to transfer the funds to. In this case, choose your stocks and shares ISA. This is an excellent way to diversify your investments and potentially increase your returns over time. Once you've selected both accounts, enter the amount of money you wish to transfer. Double-check this amount to make sure it's accurate. After entering the desired amount, you can go ahead and confirm the move. It's crucial to avoid withdrawing and redepositing the money manually. Doing so might affect your ISA allowance, which could have implications for your tax-free investment benefits. By using the built-in Move Funds feature, you're keeping your ISA allowance protected and ensuring a seamless transfer. And that's how you transfer money from a cash ISA to a stocks and shares ISA on Trading 212. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your funds and make the most out of your investments. Remember, keeping your ISA allowance intact is vital for maximizing your investment benefits, so always use the Move Funds feature for a stress-free experience.